The double palm strike isn't for show. It's a preemptive strike for when your life is on the line. From a non-threatening position, you're going to reinforce your lead hand with your rear hand. When you launch forward, you do not launch forward with your arms and shoulders down. You're going to launch forward, bringing your shoulders and arms up and tucking your head down. What you're doing is protecting your chin, your jaw, and your temples as you enter. The target areas for this double palm strike is going to be the nose or under the chin. And the power, when done properly, is devastating. I have my hands up as my aggressor approaches with hostile intent. The moment I feel the threat is real, I strike first, and then I escape.